Hey, if you are wondering what charger you can use to charge your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, let me quickly explain. First of all, when you grab the box and rotate, we can find this recommendation from a Samsung from 2.5 into the 4.5 watts. And the 4.5, this is the maximum charging speed of the charging case. So, what does it mean? That you can use almost any charger. I'm using sometimes this power adapter from my Sony camera, but sometimes I'm even using this one with a 100 watt cable and my 125 watt charger from Motorola. So you don't have to use the original charger from Samsung. You can also use much more powerful. You don't have to purchase this specific one with maximum of 4.5 watts speed. Don't worry, you are not gonna break your case and earbuds. Trust me, because it will automatically limit the charging speed. As you can see, I'm using super powerful cable and charger, and it's gonna charge only 1 watt. If I'm gonna put both earbuds inside the case, close it, as you can see, it sometimes increased to the 2 watts. And that's basically how it looks. Just a quick information for you.